I'm going to teach you guys what is break apart numbers and adding using mental math. So remember, we do a lot of break aparts and we do a lot of two-digit adding. And today we're going to do it in our mental math. So our topic is like we're using place value strategies and mental math. Before we begin, think about like you're working with partners, and right now I'm modeling you. I would tell you guys what my number is. For example, right now I'm thinking of a number that has 6 tens and 5 ones. So what is the number? Ooh. Brilliant. 65. Good job. So now you're going to work with your partners and do the same, exactly same. You're thinking of a number and don't need to tell them what number it is. You have to tell them how many tens and how many ones. Your partners are going to figure out what the number is. So we already know who's our partners, right?
Yeah.
I will give you guys 2 minutes and turn and talk to your partners. Let's go.
I got to tell you. Never mind. I have 9, 10, and 0, 1. Which number do I have? No, not. I have 1, 10. I said 9, 1, but now I'm 4. I have a number. It has 0 tens and 1 1. Which number am I thinking about? 2. No, 1. 2. The number 1. 2. No, I said 9. 2. I have 1 1 a billion. 0 10 1 1. 3. Stop. 2, 3. 9. Andy. 18. I read it. How many times? 78.
Did you tell her your number? Not yet?
No.
Tell her.
We're
trying 2 digits.
Nope.
2 digits. And just digits.
Nope.
So you think about how many tens
Nope.
and how many ones. And don't tell the numbers. Like, oh, I have 5, 10, 7 ones, and 7. Yeah, she has to count.
Keep doing the same question.
Okay, now everyone, boys and girls, eyes on me. Okay, I need a group to share it. Who want to share it? Wow. No. Okay, Yancy. How many tens and how many ones?
guess her number?
Guess it. Did you guess it? She said 6 tens and 5 ones. Okay, so what about you? What number you're thinking? How many tens?
9 with 10 and 7 ones.
So
97.
97, correct. Excellent. Good job. So now we're going to go to our solve and share. Turn to page 153. Is everyone on page 153?
Yeah.
Yes. Good job.
Miss Archie, I will ask you a number. It's 88.
You haven't do it. You already know the number? Wow.
Yeah.
So we're all doing it together.
Our whole team is
Okay. So let's do it. Monica has 24 crayons. Paul has 64 crayons. How many crayons do they have at all? Okay, so use place value blocks or draw a picture to explain your work. So now we're going on to do it ourselves this time. Or if you didn't understand, you can work with your partners. And I'll give you guys 3 minutes to wrap up, and we are going to share together. Okay? Let's go.
We're all done.
Finish, Kobe. Good job. So 2 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, good job. 88. Okay, good.
I'm done.
Yeah, you're done. Just keep it to yourself. A lot of people haven't done yet, so we gotta wait for them. How many tens? So 2 lines. And then this one, 64. How many ones? 4 ones, right? Okay, everyone, boys and girls, look at me. Does anyone want to share the answers? Kobe. Do you want to talk about it or you want to just go on to draw? Let me see. How was the draw? Okay, you want to draw? Wait for it. Okay. How do you? Oh. So here you have 2 out of the 2 tens. And then 4 ones. So it's 24 and 6 tens and 4 ones. So we added together is how much? How many tens we have? How many ones we have? 8 tens, and 8 ones. Good job, Kobe. Thank you, Kobe. Thank you for sharing. So Kobe did a place value box way that has 2 tens and 4 ones. And 4 represent 24 and 64. He draws 6 ones and 6 tens and 4 ones to represent 64. We count the ones. We have 8 ones. We count the tens. We have 8 tens. Together is 88. I saw another method. Carson, do you want to share your method? Let's go. Oh, you draw the place value? What about another one? I saw you have. Good job, Carson. Good job. So Carson made a way of drawing into spheres. And also, he did calculation on the bottom to show his work of adding 20s and 60s to represent 80s. And then 4 plus 4, we have 8. And together, 80 plus 8 is 88. And I saw a lot of different strategies we are using. I'll do it. 1 tenth. Use the eraser. We can break apart. You did that. We can break apart to 6 tens and 4 ones. So now we can do 64 and add 24. 60 and add 20. So 60 plus 24, we got how many? 84. Okay, all right. 60 plus 24. Just tell me. What number you got? I'm going to do the 60 plus 24. Yeah. What number you got? Tell me. 60 plus 24. How many tens? How many ones? We have how many ones? 0 plus 4. 0 plus 4 equals 4. And then what about? 84. Good job. So we got 84. And don't forget we have a 4 right here. We brought it down and added. 84 plus 4 is, Yancy? 88. Good job. So 88. Thank you for sharing. Another method we can use to break apart, and then we got 88. So now, turn to page 154. Everyone turn to 154.
But it's 69 and the answer is 69.
Okay. did this way by breaking apart, what, 52. So, who can tell me how we break 52? Someone else. Who can tell me how to break 52? Okay. What did you got?
5, 10, 2, 1.
So what is 5 tenths? Good job. So we have 50 and we have 2. So we brought it down by adding 17 to 50. And we got, you can say, recently. Good job. So we have 67 by adding 50 and 17. But don't forget, we have a 2. So we brought it down to 2 and adding the 67. Together is what? 69. Good job. So we have 69 right here. That's our answer, 69. Okay, this is a little bit tricky now. We have another one. We can either do it by breaking apart 69 or we can do 29, but now we're doing 23. So how can we break 23? Josh.
20 and 3.
20 and 3, good job. So Josh said 20 and 3. What can we do next? What is the process of next step? Can someone help me? Okay.
Then you just do 2 more lines.
2 more
at
lines.
6 and 9.
Uh-huh.
And put 2 boxes.
2 boxes. Uh-huh.
Then you write 60 and 9.
69, yes, and we have 69 and 20. So by adding 69 and 20, we got.
Then
69 plus 20, 9 plus
80.
0. Okay, 81.
Yeah, so 80.
Don't forget we have ones. How many ones we have?
9.
Okay, 9 plus 0 is 9, right?
89.
So 89. We can write a box and draw 89. But don't forget we have our 3's, right? So we brought it down to 3's. We draw another box right here.
92.
Okay. So can Michael,
Your answer is 92.
how did you figure out the answer is 92? We have 89 and 3. We do what? Figure out. How do you figure it out?
You added how many more? 89 plus how many more?
Plus what?
2 more.
Not two.
Look at it.
3.
3 more, right? So we got 92. So our answer for this question is 92. Okay, let's, everyone, go to page 155. We're doing our guidance practice by ourselves. Right now, we're going to do it independently. Okay, so everyone go to page 155 to our independent practice. I'll look around and see if you guys are understand or not. You know what?
Remember 20 we have right here, the 52. We can put it into 50 and 2. So what about 26? We can put it into 50 and 2. 20 and 3. Because 20 and 3 is 23. What about 26? 26 here. Still 26. Yeah, how can you break it? Because we already know it's over 20. So how do we break it? Into 10? 1. How many 10s in here? How many 10s in here? How many 1s in here? You can write down 1s here first. Find 1s. We know that 1's place are what? This one, right? So how many 1s we have? What is 9? 6. Okay. So we covered the 6. How many 10s we have? What is the number? So we can 2 is 20 because that is a 10. So it should be 20, right? So erase the 6. We can cross the 9. So it's 20. 20. 20. 2 0. 20. So 20, 23 plus 1 is what? 3 plus 0 is nothing. 0. 3 plus 0. So 0 is nothing. So it should be 3. Right now. Write a lot of bucks and we can use 3. And then 2 plus 2 is what? And then 2 plus 2 is what? 2 plus 2, count. Count it. Count my finger. 1. What is this? 2. What is it? This is 2 and this is what? This is 4. So 4. Good job. Good job, Mason. 4. 43. But don't forget we have a 6. So 43 we'll have to plus the 6. Do you know the plus sign? Plus sign is what? Is this the plus sign? Okay, write the plus sign. So we have 43. So we have 1, 2, and 3. That is 43, right? So we have 6. 6 ones. So can you do 6 ones for me? Can you bring out 6? Can you get out 6? Kobe, you finished? He has to do it himself. Okay? Okay? Kobe, he has to do it himself. Do you want to count it? Count it. Count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what about this? 7, 8, 9. So we know that 43 plus 6 is 9. And here's how many? 1, 10. Can you calculate how many 10s here? Count it. Count it. Okay, so we have 40. Right here's what? Colby? He has to do it himself. This is what? We count this. 9. We count 9 of them.
I'm done.
You're done? What about next page? So here is 9 and here's 4. Together is 40. 9. So the answer is
6. And then we can do 51 plus 10. 51 plus 10 is 61. Don't forget.
Because since the 10 has no ones in it, that we don't change the 1 into 51, only the 10.
Correct. Absolutely. What about the 6? Don't forget we have to add the 6.
1 plus 6 equals 7.
So what is the answer?
67.
Good job.
10. This one. No, I was why you get cold?
Is that cold? Because it's cold. Yes, it's cold. You sure this is 95?
Yes.
Can you use the break part? Can you use the break part? How many tens?
Yeah. 8. Then
10? How many ones?
8.
Okay, 76 plus 10 is what?
So what is 2 plus 3?
Plus 10.
77, 78, 79, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86.
So it's 86. Write it down. 86. Don't forget we have what?
What is 4? 8.
Okay, what is 86 plus 8?
8. 86. 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94.
So
The number
is 94. Okay.
The rest is
This is what? 2, right?
2.
Good job. The rest is correct. Are you used to this kind of method? Do you want to break it? Let me draw it. Break it.
Sure do.
How many 10? So 1 10. How many? 1. Okay. So what is 56 plus 10? Don't forget we 0 plus 6 is nothing. So it's 6, right? Because nothing plus a 5 is 5. So 0 plus a 6. What about 1 plus 5? What is 1 plus 5? Because this is the 10th place. This is the 10th place. Do you want to use your hand? What is 5 plus 1?
I don't know.
5 plus 1. And count how many? Okay. So here has 66. And don't forget we have a 5. So we're going to plus 5. So count it. Can you count it? Put your 5 fingers and 67. No, we just need to count the 5. Always when you put the fingers, how many we have, we cannot go like, we cannot keep going because we have 5. We just count up to 5. So 67. Okay, good. So now we know that it's 71. Okay? So this is 71. And do you want to use this one as you want to use this one? So let's calculate this one too. So can you do 76? Let me show you. 76, we have 7 tens. So we use this one represent a 10. Because how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this are 10 ones. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is repeating 70. But don't forget we have 6. So we have to count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So together, this is what? No, this is 10. So now we know this is 10. We stop it here. This is 1. We have to count the 1. They are breaking differently. So 1, we have 6. 10, we have 7. Together is 76. You understand a little? Because this is a little tiny one. We have to get 10s. We can make it into like this long shape. But this is 10 and this is 1. So we know that it's 76. Okay, what about 8? Can you do 18 for me? How many 10s we have?
Can you look it away from me?
Okay, how many 1s we have? Can you count how many 1s we have? 18. How many 1s we have? We have how many 1s? 18, we have how many 1s? We're not looking here right now. We are looking at 18. You already took those 10s. And how many 1s you have left? You already took out the 1s from the 10s place. How many 1s you have here? Good job. 8. So you have to calculate 8. Can you count 8 for me? Put it in here. 1. You sure this is 8? They are different because we don't forget we have a 6 right here. That's for 76. This is 76. Okay, we have here. And we have 18 here, right? So now we can do is we have to count the 1s. Because don't forget 8 plus 6 is how many?
86.
8 plus 6 is 86? 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6. So now it's hard to count because we have more than 10. So we need to do is regrouping. Regrouping is we have to count to 10. So we know that this is 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We took the 2 out. 1, 2. So together, 8 plus 2 is 10. So we place it so it has a long break. And this we're going to take away because we already changed it to a long one. So we put it here. And now we have how many 10s and how many 1s? Can you count the 1 first? Count the 1 first. So don't forget we write the 4. Okay, this we already counted, so we put it away. So now we know this is 9. We put it down. Together we have 94. Do you want to use this to do this one?
Now,
Okay, boys and girls, everyone look at me. Eyes on me. Okay, we finished?
Yes.
No. Let's go over the first question. What did you guys got? The first question? What do you want? Okay.
6 plus 8
6 plus 8.
Who would like to come up and
Who would
share?
like to come up and share the first question?
Just write the answer. That's it.
write
Just
the
the answer, okay?
Just write the answer. 39.
49.
It's 49 or 39? Okay. So who will come to for the third or for the second one, the number? who will come up. Okay. Try to do it. What you got? 51. Good job. One more. Who's still going to be the last one?
I did all of them. Come to the bottom.
67. Good job.
Excellent.
Yay, we're ready for